I am Satvinder Kaur and today I am going to tell you few home remedies for boils. Most boils can be treated at home and the treatments are simple yet effective. The first remedy for boils is warm water. Take warm water, soak a cloth in it, squeeze the excess water and put the cloth directly on the boil. Do this repeatedly throughout the day until the boil erupts and the pusses drain out. Then you need to clean the area and apply some ointment to get further skin infection. The second remedy is turmeric. Make a thick paste of turmeric powder and water and apply it directly on the boil from time to time. The third remedy is onions. Take a thick slice of onion, put directly on the boil and wrap it with a cloth. Change the slice every 2 hours. The juice helps to draw out the heat from the boil and it erupts fast. So next time if you have any boil on your body, just don't worry and use these home remedies.